Hi, I am Shraddha Kadakia and I am a commercial photographer. I am also the founder of Just Click Image Making Company. Mumbai is my favorite hub for street photography, where you can find different cultures showing their reflections blending harmoniously. Let me take you around the city where you will learn how to take interesting street photographs. Also coming up is an interesting click tip of the day, where you learn how to improve your photography. Street photography is the most amazing way where beginners can really get going with their photography. There is so much to shoot and your choices are endless. It is great to have photo outings in a group because always there is something for everyone on the streets. It gives you freedom to shoot anything and everything within the limits of human courtesy. If your subject moves or does not move, always keep your eye on the viewfinder and keep clicking. Street photography provides visual commentary showcasing humor, daily life and culture on the streets. So here is some advice on how to take interesting street photographs. Today we have stepped out to capture the most admirable festival in Mumbai, Ganesh Chaturthi. Streets get overflowed with worshippers dancing on the street to give a grand farewell to Lord Ganesha by submerging the idol in the ocean. It's a great opportunity for us to capture the Indian culture. So let's get rolling. Key to street photography is focusing. Not just the sharpness, but the depth of field or even the depth of focus. Other types of photography excluding landscape, you would need as much of image to be in focus. Set your camera on f11 and manually focus if necessary. If you have a good amount of depth of focus, you will find a lot of smaller objects which are great to photograph, which you have unnoticed it. Street photography gives a great monochromatic pictures. The variety of subject, great texture, contrasting lighting results in amazing black and white images. A lot of professional photographers take amazing images of street using black and white, but that does not mean that you cannot get great results in colored images. Overall, street photography should be a lot of fun. Make sure you use a great composition and rule of third techniques. To know more about it, click on the link visible on your screen. Street photography brings you back to reality, sometimes making you see the real truth. It is full of characters and subjects which are endless. So don't be afraid of trying anything. Go all out and experiment. Time for a click tip of the day. Do not photograph monochromatic images directly from your camera. To convert your colored images into black and white, use paintbrush or Picasa. That will give you much better and contrasting results. That's all for now, my folks. Hope this video helped you to understand how to capture interesting street images. Do subscribe to Shoot It Right. If you have any queries or feedback, we'll be more than happy to help you and answer all your questions.